Hello everyone, in this video we will see the gene transfer methods, biolistics and microinjection. Biolistic transformation is also known as gene gun method or microprojectile bombardment method. This was developed by Stanford and his co-workers of Cornell University in the year 1987. In this method, particles carrying the DNA of interest is bombarded into the target cells. The target cells could be plant cells, animal cells, fungal cells, or cell organelles like chloroplast and mitochondria. And it is done using a very high velocity transfer mechanism. Recombinant DNA is precipitated with calcium chloride, spermidine, or polyethylene glycol coated on heavy microparticles of tungsten and gold. These 1 to 4 micrometer diameter particles are carried by nylon microprojectile or bullet or particle gun or hot gun and are accelerated into living target cells at high velocity of 300 to 600 meter per second. Laminar airflow will provide a sterile condition. Gunpowder, helium gas or electric power could be used to provide force for the microprojectile into the cells. The picture shows gene transfer using gene gun method, a standard gene gun and Helios gene gun taken from the internet. Coming on to application, it is successful with papaya, sugarcane, cotton, soybean, tobacco, corn, also with monocot plants like rice, wheat, sorghum, chicken pea, pigeon pea, where agrobacterium transfer do not show sufficient response. Transformation of organelles such as chloroplasts enables engineering of organelle encoded herbicide or pesticide resistances in crop plants and also to study photosynthetic processes. The method could be used with pollen, early stage embryoids, somatic embryos and meristems. It is used to transfer novel genes into immature embryos, embryonic calli, root sections and epidermis cells of monocot and dicot plants. This is an effective method to transfer recombinant DNA to mammalian cells and organs. Skins and ears of live mouse could be shot with microprojectile coated recombinant DNA. The next method is microinjection. Microinjection is the injection of DNA or cell organelles directly into cells using a micropipette. A fine capillary needle of 0.5 to 10 micrometer diameter is used to deliver DNA, RNA, protein or cell organelles precisely into animal cells, egg, zygote or plant protoplasts. Microinjection of mouse eggs was carried out for the first time by T.P. Lin in the year 1966. A skilled person could transfer 100 to 500 cells in 1 hour. Target cells should be immobilized on agarose slide or artificially bound substrate or held with a holding pipette under suction. Manipulators like Narashik and Leeds have computerized control of holding pipette, needle, microscope stage and video technology. The first picture shows the instrument used to perform microinjection and the second picture shows the microscopic view of performing microinjection. Coming on to the applications, the method is used for gene transfer of embryonic cells, to transform oil seed rate, to introduce rat growth hormone gene, for the production of transgenic fishes like carp, catfish, goldfish, salmon and tilapia, to study intracellular transport with the introduction of fluorescent dyes into differentiated cells. The advantages are stable and precise integration in limited copy number. It has been used to transform primary cells as well as established culture, and the injected DNA appears to be less extensively modified than the transfected DNA. Optimum amount of the DNA is delivered per cell and high regeneration potential. Disadvantages: it is costly, skilled person is required, it is not useful for plant cells, it is used for animal cells and protoplasm only, and only one cell at a time can be manipulated. Embryonic cells are preferred for manipulation, may cause random integration, and the method is a slow method.